What's the meaning of audio typist? Audio typist. Audio typist.
Audio typist. Audio typist. An audio typist is a skilled professional who transcribes audio recordings of dictated material into written documents. This may involve typing up meeting minutes, legal documents, medical reports, or other important records. The job requires a high level of attention to detail, excellent typing and language skills, and the ability to work with specialized software for transcription. Audio typists must also ensure accuracy and confidentiality when handling sensitive material. Overall, an audio typist plays a vital role in ensuring that important information is accurately captured and documented.